I see enough improvement in you.
But how can I improve if I'm getting worse? I'm trying to tell you.
Tammy Clark.